ChatGPT is now offering data protection for its users. So if you don't want to share any of your information, any of your chat history with ChatGPT or OpenAI, now you can. And I'm going to show you how easy it is. All you have to do is open ChatGPT, come down the bottom on the left here, and click on the three dots next to your email. That brings up a menu, and you just click on settings, and then you click on show next to data controls. That opens another window, and in here you can turn your chat history off if you want to. Now, if you turn it off, ChatGPT will keep your history for 30 days and then it will be deleted permanently. However, if you turn it off, you have the option to export all your data. All you have to do is click on export data here and confirm export. That's all. And ChatGPT will send you all your history to the email address you signed up with.